how excited are people in Pakistan now that the ban is lifted?
They are. You don't understand how much we wanted the films back here, and I think primarily because of finally I think race was a big one and everyone was dying. Like I would get a call every day, and I think everyone's waiting. You can't even imagine if you were here, you'd see how many calls I get. Is it coming? Is it coming? So I think just like it's done well all over the world. Hopefully, and I mean, I have full faith in people here. They will go in throngs to watch race. So yeah. But listen, guys, you never asked him how he felt about, like, how he enjoyed working with me.
We asked him.
We have asked him 10 times.
Yeah, we asked him. Many times.
You've asked him. I have not seen it.
We'll send you the clips. और सेम जवाब दिया मैंने सबको, बिल्कुल नहीं हिलाऊं। मैं और नवाज भाई ने इस एक सवाल का जवाब कि तीनों खानों के साथ काम किया और तेरे साथ काम करके सेम हमने हर जगह पे जवाब दिया, बिल्कुल नहीं, हम टस से मस नहीं हुए। But we'll send you one clip.
Maya, how did you celebrate the success of race in Pakistan? So what did you do?
I can't tell you how I celebrated the success. No, I'm joking.
मैं बताऊं, मैंने और रितेश ने ना क्लोज डांस किया है। हम दोनों ना 2 दिन से ना क्लोज डांस किया, बॉल रूम डांस कर रहे हैं हम दोनों, क्योंकि एट एनी गिवन टाइम मूवी का कोई ना कोई मिसिंग है। आज राहुल मिसिंग है। हाँ। राहुल
थाईलैंड जहाँ है आपको नहीं बता सकते।
नहीं बता दिया मैंने। वो थाईलैंड गया छुट्टी बनाने के लिए। तो सब कोई हम उसको जो सोच रहे थे, वी ट्राई टू गेट हिम ऑन द वीडियो स्क्रीन आल्सो। ही सेड नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं आऊँगा क्योंकि मैं ऐसे हश्र में हूँ जो पब्लिक को नहीं दिखाया जा सकता।
I can't unleash myself into the public.
मैंने बहुत फिल्म में एक्सपोज किया, इतना और एक्सपोज नहीं कर सकता मैं। सो बट बॉटम लाइन इज, तो एंड में आज भी नवाज भाई भी, आप बताओ नवाज भाई क्या सोचा, आपको फ़ोन कॉल आया, नवाज भाई क्या सोच रहे थे जब उनको हमने यहाँ बुलाया? नवाज भाई बोलते हैं हर रोज़ तुम लोग फ़ोन करते हो मुझको, हर रोज़ मुझे लगता है पार्टी है। हर रोज़ मुझे आके प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बिठा देते हो और कोई बुरा ना माने, हाँ इसे ऐसे, और बुरा ना माने, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में वही सवाल मुझसे पूछे जा रहे हैं, तुमने तीनों खान के साथ काम किया, इसके साथ क्या? शाहरुख भाई आज भी अभी पहले पूछा ना, आज भी पार्टी नहीं है, तो हम अब 3 रह गए यहाँ पे, छोटी सी कर लेते हैं हम लोग जाके। चलो
Mahira, did you miss promoting your film in India?
I mean, I know there's a lot of things that have been said about me not promoting and all of that. Believe me, if you were an actor and if you were in my place, to see your film do the way it's been doing, to see your songs come out or the trailer come out, and every time, because with everything that has come out, I've received a lot of love. To feel that is more than enough. Everything else is just the thrills. For me, this was it. I've done this film, I'm part of it, and I'm so happy that I'm sitting here right now because the film is so successful. So for me, this was it. This is all that matters, to be honest.
माहिरा, जब मेरी मुलाकात हुई थी आपसे, मुझे याद है बहुत एलेबरेटेड कॉन्वर्सेशन था हमारा कि आप शाहरुख खान के साथ काम करेंगी, तो मतलब यू वाज सच अ बिग फैन। आपने कहा कि एयरपोर्ट पे जब मैं फ्लाइट से उतरी, अचानक मेरा दुपट्टा यूं उड़ने लगा और मैं स्विट्जरलैंड पहुंच गई, ऐसा लग रहा था आई एम डूइंग अ सॉन्ग विद शाहरुख खान। डिड यू नो दैट फाइनली 2 साल के बाद?
मैंने ये कहा था कि when I first arrived in Bombay, why is he sitting here? Now I'm getting shy talking about it, but I have to now that I'm
नहीं, दुपट्टा तो उड़ाया था गुजरात में। मतलब पिक्चर का बजट नहीं था, वरना स्विट्जरलैंड ले जाते।
So basically when I said कि क्योंकि अभी हम लोग बड़े हुए थे फिल्मों पे और मैं बड़ी हुई थी इनकी फिल्मों पे, तो
ये भी बता दो मैं कितना बड़ा हूँ।
हाँ?
ये भी बता दो मैं कितना बड़ा, उम्र बता देना मेरी, सीधा ही बोल देना।
उम्र से क्या होता है?
ये बुजुर्ग के साथ काम किया।
अच्छा खैर, तो जब मैं पहली दफा आई तो मुझे एक्चुअली ये लगा था because all I'd seen was films, Bollywood films. तो जब मैं मुंबई एयरपोर्ट पे आई, मैंने आपको बताई थी बात कि मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि कुछ तो होगा, कम से कम ये होगा कि हवा चलेगी, लेकिन और ज्यादा से ज्यादा ये होगा कि शाहरुख खान भागते हुए मेरे पास आए।
और हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ ना, वो कस्टम ऑफिसर ने दुपट्टा पकड़ लिया।
इनमें से दोनों चीजें नहीं हुई। हाँ।
Mahira, can you tell us about your first meeting with Shah Rukh? How was it? First meeting, first interaction with him.
First meeting was nothing. He had come. I had signed Race, and we were doing a little photo shoot. And didn't think that he would come or drop by to say hi. But my van door opened up, and Arunima walked in and said, "He's here." I said, "Who's here?" "He is here, and you better come out quickly." I was like, "Okay, fine." So I was like, "Okay, let me at least, just like freshen up or something." But I had no time, so I quickly ran out. And he was there, and I said, "Hello," and he said, "Assalamu alaikum," and I was like, "Okay, walaikum assalam," and he said, "You doing okay?" I'm like, "Yes, I'm doing okay." He's like, "You will do okay, you will be fine." I said, "Okay, cool." And that was it. It was a very short meeting, and it was really nice. It was really nice. And yes, even though I thought that the wind would blow, but patte girenge, nothing happened. In fact, I might be the only one who he did not spread his arms for.
तो तेरा साइज छोटा है ना। इतने में ही आ गई तू। दिखाया तो है तेरे को उसके अंदर, गोद के अंदर ऐसा घुमाता हूँ ऐसा फोन आता है जब, उतने में आ गया। थोड़ी लंबी होती तो ऐसा करता हूँ।
Whoever has debuted with Shah Rukh sir, especially Deepika Padukone, if you see, they have done really well. He has got the Midas touch, so to say. When you got the offer, did that work in your head? And how do you take your future, like from here onwards?
May I answer a part of it, please? May I butt in? I think, to be really honest, most of the girls who have started off with me, it was kind of their first film or second film. Maybe they'd done another language film. Perhaps Deepika had done already one other film, and Anushka was obviously never been in a film before, but she had modeled. With due respect, I think there is a bit of a difference. She is an established actor of years. She's been working, whether she's been working with me or not. She is an actor. Just working with me does not make anyone an actor. Maybe makes them lesser of an actor, but not more of an actor. So I don't think that kind of a thought could have ever crossed her mind. But yeah, as an actor, as someone working as a co-actor, you can go ahead and ask her the question. She'll tell you I was fabulous.
So yeah, you can answer that.
How was it working with him?
Yeah, obviously.
He's spoiled me, and I shouldn't be saying this because then all my future actors will have this in their head, but it's the truth, and it's just like, how do you really work with someone else after you worked with him? But you have to, of course. But it's like it's a dream come true. Honestly, nothing short of that. Nothing short of that.
So Mahira, taking from his question, okay, while you were working on the film, were you anticipating it to be such a big hit that it has become? Was it anticipated?
In my head or
in your head, in your head.
My heart. Kind of. I was like, yes, this will be good. Because I think, in my experience, whatever I have done, wherever I've seen hard work and the right intention, I don't know why I've always seen it work. And this was one film where, over the course of 2 years, every single person on set, and I'm not saying this because we should say this, I say this with full honesty, everybody on set was just all heart and all love. We would all come back and work hard and want to make a good film. The cool part is, and the nice part is that you all saw it like that, and that everyone has taken to it. So yeah, it feels really good because I felt that it would be successful only because we worked really good. So yeah, but this kind of response, I don't know.
Glitch in the
What are you
system.
saying?
Sorry. Somebody's very personal
Personal
mail came.
mail.
This is a personal
We are not
mail.
inquisitive for everybody.
Ghandekar?
Huh?
Ghandekar.
Yeah. Somebody
Sorry
from
to
Cisco
interrupt you.
is going to have a problem
Mahira,
tonight.